If you live in a house where there is electricity and functional electronic devices, then you must have these tools and know how to use them to do the basic for your safety, and also to be able to diagnose the simplest everyday electronics problems. Now, these two things will be a lifesaver, and you must teach everybody around you how to use it to diagnose little problem, to detect where there is problem, and apply safety once detected. If you're ready, let's go check it out. Okay, welcome back again to Smart Depot, and I'm so excited to have you on today. So as we go on, I'm going to show you the two basic tools that you need to have in every household that has electricity or electronic devices being used in them, be it house or office or school. The first one is a tester. This for me is a first aid that you can use to check whether there is life, whether there is power, whether there is electric voltage or current flowing. You can use this guy. You just hold it here. It's safe. You put it into electric. It shows lights up, there is light, electric current in it. And this one is actually a multimeter. It was usually called avometer. So I'm going to take you back into history and tell you why it was. My dad actually gave me this type of avometer when I was growing up. Before now, you just have voltmeter, you have ohms meter or rheostat, you have amp meter, so you measure all of them with different equipment. But there was a breakthrough then. A company was able to put it together, could measure amps, voltage, and ohms, and then it was called avo meter. And that was what improved and became today's multimeter. It has actually come a long way. Back then, just the single battery inside an avometer it could be close to the size of what we have here now. So that's just the history. There are modern one that is called clamp. This one, a clamp meter. You open it and then pass a wire. When a wire carrying current or voltage is passed through here, you clip it in. It's going to be able to read it without contact. It's contactless. This is clamp meter again from Fluke. This one is the one I used when I was working as power specialist. These ones are manually set, so you have to set it to where you want, all these ones. But this one's here that I'm going to unbox soon is automatic, so that's why I bought it. And you just plug it in, it will automatically read the kind of impulse or current that is coming there. That's going to be fun. So make sure you subscribe if you want to see me do all that. This is very, very important, so you must have it. If there is a leakage, you can just touch it in the place, touch it here, touch it on this one to check whether there is electric current in this, whether there is leakage anywhere. So you don't need to touch it with your hand. Get a tester, use it to check if there is live current. I think up to 80 volts it will be able to indicate, so show you that it's actually dangerous. So the second part is I wanted to plug in my laptop charger and it's not working, so I'm going to get to work with the multimeter and I'm going to try to diagnose what the problem is. There are about 3 things I'm going to check. I'm going to check for continuity in the cable that connects to the power. I'm going to check for voltage at this end to know whether it's bringing out voltage, and then I'm also going to check for maybe the fuse. I think that's the basic thing I'm going to do. 2 things, you understand? So that continuity will measure resistance, and then the other one will measure voltage. So first off, let's do the continuity. So the first thing we're going to do here is to turn on this to the buzzer. So you will see on this place there is one for 20k resistor, and then the one that has a speaker sound is the buzzer. So, and that's just the thing. If this cable is good, I should be able to have a buzzing sound or a reading between it. So this is the earth. You can hear the sound. Then I'm going to go again. This is the neutral. Those are the 2 things I'm going to check. Let's check here. It's not this one. The neutral is working. And then this. Not this one. Then the cable is working. So that means the fuse is good because there is a fuse in this. I was reading continuity now. So now I'm going to go and read DC volts. So I'm going to change it. It's normal polarity. So what normal polarity means that the inside will be the the positive, while the outside would be the negative. As you can see, it's 20 volts, and that's probably HP. HP uses 20 volts. So so this way now I've known that my adapter is working. So now we've tested and confirmed that the adapter is working. So if there is any other problem, it could be from the laptop, but there is continuity, there was no fuse cut, there is voltage coming out from the adapter, the exact 20 volts recommended on the charger is coming out. So, and we were able to do that with just a simple multimeter. So those for me is the first aid, the first thing you have to check before you do anything. You can, with this type of clamps, you can check whether your battery is current is charging, like your car. You can just put this clamp into between your car battery and just check whether it's is charging and know how much current is being drained from your battery at all times and all that. So it's very, very useful that everybody should know how to use. And for me, like I said yesterday, if you don't know how to use this thing, you're not a tech bros, you're not a tech sis. In fact, you're not into tech if you don't know how to use this. So it's very important. Let me hear from you in the comment section. I believe this one is going to be a fun one. Let me hear from you in the comment section. If you haven't subscribed, why not click on that subscribe button, turn on notification bell icon to get videos like this. Until I see you in the next one, it is peace. Subscribe. I'll see you.